Of our program from a very special place in Kolvan village, where this particular area Prakash Javadekar has worked extensively for reviving once upon a time a group of 11 villages. We'll talk to him about that. Prakash, you've done some very special work as far as the watershed management program is concerned. Just tell us about
this. Was Government of India program, watershed development program, and when I was heading the planning commission in the state of Maharashtra, when I came with my friend here once, I found that the area which receives 2500 million millimeter rain, but it has no water after December. They really, Nilesh Kulkarni, Parag Lakde and Santosh Gondrelkar, they are the water experts. So we surveyed the whole area and then we participated into this watershed development program. And today you can see with contour, nala bunding and everything. And then there was a small dam here which we lifted by 7 meters and under Krishna Valley development. And there was another dam, Hadshi, that was leaking. It also got repaired. And the whole valley as such got tremendous water now.
So economic life also of the place has changed majorly because of this watershed.
Yes, yes, absolutely.
But how did you get this idea of bringing in this watershed? How did this whole idea evolve?
No idea, as I told you, I came once with my friend here just to see the mist and everything. This was a small dam. But then we found out that this is one of the area which requires watershed treatment. Actually, village teams worked it out. Plan for each village. So the contour bunding, nala bunding, the check dams and the farm ponds. It's a series of water conservation treatment from ridge to valley.
This water stretch which we see basically is because of the dam?
Yeah, it is the dam water, no? So we have and this is the beautiful valley. You can see this and the whole valley is now treated. So more greenery, more prosperity.
But Javadekar ji, can we go near those dams and actually see the place?
We'll see. Yeah, we'll see.
The villagers have never developed any problem as far as the conservation of water is
They
concerned.
contributed their land for this cause because otherwise it was everything barren. So they know that if 1 acre of land is under submergence, at least 10 acres will be irrigated within the village itself.
This is the dam, Ardhan Dam.
See, in the scheme itself, that 10% of the cost of that in form of Shramadhan, either of putting voluntary labor or in form of giving material, should be contributed. But he gave an interesting option to the people. See, they say we don't have cash. So what you'll do? They said you grow paddy here. So why not give paddy crop as a contribution? So that is called as Bhat Vargani. Bhat is paddy.
From this Kolvan valley, now we are heading towards a sugarcane and a rice field with Prakash Javadekar.
You would have never imagined in this valley that sugarcane can come here. You can ask any farmer. This was only monsoon dependent paddy growing area. The whole 11 villages, the valley is now growing sugarcane. The farmers' economy has changed.
And you made an important point that water is the biggest catalyst for development, and of course the lessons to be learned from here is the kind of community participation which is required for the development and for the evolution of a particular area. Perhaps this is the biggest example we can showcase.